Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Riverside for AI transcription and clipping workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Riverside for AI transcription and clipping workflows, start by visiting the Riverside website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and its features. Select a project you want to work on or create a new one. Upload your audio or video file for transcription. Ensure the file format is compatible with Riverside's requirements. Once the file is uploaded, go to the transcription settings. Choose the AI transcription option for automatic processing. Set any necessary preferences, such as language and speaker identification. Initiate the transcription process and wait for it to complete. Once transcription is done, review the output for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections directly in the text editor. Explore the clipping feature by highlighting sections of interest. Use the provided tools to create clips from the transcript. Ensure you adjust timestamps if needed for precise editing. Preview each clip to confirm it captures the intended content. After finalizing your clips, export them in your desired format. Check the settings for export to ensure compatibility with your planned usage. Finally, download the clips to your device for further use. Throughout this process, leverage Riverside's support resources if you encounter any issues. Understanding these steps will enhance your workflow efficiency for AI transcription and clipping on Riverside. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.